Yeah, so as you can see, we got called out to this customer's car with a grinding noise on their front brakes. So we've come out to do a quick inspection, and we found that the pads are absolutely shot and they have taken the discs out with them. A little cause of concern is that the passenger side isn't as bad as the driver's side, which could possibly indicate that it's a sticking caliper or other seized components, but we won't know until we strip this all down. Now with that stripped down, we can see that the caliper was fine, it was just the pads that are stuck. So we're going to slap some new ones on there. Something that I've been accused of before is dragging the industry down because I do so many brake jobs. But brakes are just like any other job, it's just a process taking you from where you started off with the dirty old worn out brakes to getting some new fresh ones on there. It is what it is. So yeah, I'm opting for Blueprint original quality matching discs again. Obviously use the premium discs and pads, that way we know that this customer is going to be driving around for a lot longer than they would be if they were using the cheaper quality ones. Let's clean that up, that's better. Got a bit of ceramic grease or brake paste from Tune Up, a bit of red rubber grease from Castrol on the slides there, and they are now working perfectly, so they won't be binding anymore. Now I've hopped over to E3 Technical. I'm going to tighten these down to manufacturer specification. just so we know they're perfect really. Let's get those blueprint pads in. Now with all that done, got all the blueprint discs and pads put on there, tune up brake grease on all the contact points. It's time to get this wheel back on. Get that torqued down to spec using E3 Tactical and move on to the next job. But like I was saying, it's all about that process. If you know what needs to come off when, you can take you from that dirty old rusty disc to a nice new clean blueprint one.